Good morning, students. I welcome all my dear students in the online lecture. So, students, are you all ready for your online lecture? So, students, let us learn the subject English in our today's online lecture. I welcome all my dear students once again in the online lecture. So, students, Standard First, Subject English. Myself, Miss Pooja, I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard First. So, students, are you all ready for learning your subject English? So, in our today's online lecture, we are going to learn a new lesson, a new topic, a last topic from a unit 4. A last lesson we are going to study in our today's online lecture. So students, here pay attention carefully to the lecture as the topic is last unit 4, the last lesson we are studying, and after this lecture we are going to study and start grammar. So students, let us have a look to our lesson's name, our topic's name, our chapter's name that we are going to study today in this online lecture. I request all my dear students to open your English Bal Bharati textbook of Standard First. From our textbook, we are going to study Unit 4, last lesson, and after this lesson completes, from the next online lecture, we are going to start our grammar topics. So students, have you all opened your English Bal Bharati textbook? Okay. So students, let us have a look to the index page inside the book. Students, Unit 4. We are studying Unit 4. So just have a look to the topics in the Unit 4. So in our today's online lecture, we are going to learn the last lesson from Unit 4. Where is the cat? So students, in the Unit 4, we have completed all our poems and lessons, that is an action song, Lesson Sunny and Minnie, Good Habits, Favorite Things, Helpful Girl, Word House, Bicycle in the previous online lecture. So in our today's online lecture, we are going to study Where is the Cat, the last lesson. So students, Unit 4, lesson number 8, chapter number 8, Where is the Cat? Now lesson's name is Where is the Cat? Now you can see in the lesson's name itself, the question is asked to us that where is the cat? So in this lesson, let me explain you the name of the lesson and what is there in this lesson. So in this lesson, the lesson is almost the grammar that we are going to learn. As you can see, the question itself, the lesson's name is written as Where is the cat? It means now the question is where is the cat? We have to answer. So the cat might be is far off, behind, many words it can be. So we are going to study the grammar in this lesson. So students, are you all ready for learning it? बच्चों, आज के लेसन का नाम है लेसन नंबर 8, वेयर इज द कैट। तो आज का चैप्टर हम वेयर इज द कैट मतलब हमारी कैट कहाँ है, ये क्वेश्चन लेसन के नाम में ही पूछा गया है। तो आप देख सकते हो कि ये ग्रामर यानी व्याकरण का हिस्सा है। तो हम ग्रामर में यही पढ़ेंगे, ये लेसन में हमें समझ आएगा कि वेयर इज़ द कैट, हमें किस प्रकार से उसका आंसर देना है। ना स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी विल स्टार्ट अ लेसन वी विल कम टू नो हाउ वी विल आंसर द क्वेश्चन. The lesson's name is Where is the cat? You can see the picture of a cat on your mobile screen. Yes or no, students? Yes. Everyone know cat. Everyone have seen cat, and cat is a pet animal, as you know. So let us begin with our today's lesson. So students, open the page number 41 of your English Bal Bharti textbook. Students, page number 41, 41, lesson number 8, Where is the cat? So students, have you all opened your book, page number 41 of your English Bal Bharti textbook? Are you all ready with the lesson? Okay, so let us look at the page number 41, what is there in this lesson. Students, what can you see in the picture? Yes, in the picture we can see a big car, a blue color car, and many cats are there. Yes or no? Yes. As our lesson's name is Where is the cat? The question is asked to us, where is the cat? So we can answer. As you can see, there are many answers written in the car image in your textbook. So let us read all the names that is written and let us write the answer in the blanks given in question number 3. So students, carry a pencil in your hand, because in this lesson we have to write in the textbook itself. So those students who are having the textbook will write the answer in the textbook, and those students who are not having the textbook right now with them, they will write in their English notebook. बच्चों, इस लेसन में आप देख सकते हो ग्रामर पार्ट है। जैसे कि मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगी इस लेसन वेयर इज़ द कैट, और आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आंसर्स लिखना है, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स के आपको स्पेस दिए गए हैं। तो जिन बच्चों के पास टेक्स्ट बुक है वो पेंसिल कैरी करो आपके हाथ में, और जिन बच्चों के पास टेक्स्ट बुक अभी नहीं है उन्हें नोटबुक में फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स के क्वेश्चन भी लिखने पड़ेंगे। सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सी 1. Look and read. Now we are going to read all the words. Little cat is going to the park. She is sitting in the car. Let's see where she is. Little cat. Now what is little? Little means small. Now little cat is going to the park. Cat is going to the park. Park means garden. And she is sitting in the car. You can see in the photo in your textbook, the cat is sitting in the car. Let's see where she is going. Let us see where she is going. And where she is. Exactly, students, we don't know where the cat is. They have said she is sitting in the car. But in the picture you can see, we cannot tell the perfect answer where the cat is. As you can see, there are many answers and many cats in the picture. So let us have a look from the number wise. We are going to see the numbers are given from 1 to 7. So students, let us see the first one, 1. Where she is. Now in the first one, the cat is on, O-N, on. In the first number you can see on is written. Yes or no? So cat is on the car. Am I right, students? Your answer is the cat is on the car. बच्चों, आपको अच्छी तरीके से ध्यान से देखना है कि कैट कहाँ पर है, क्योंकि ये हमारे लेसन का ही नाम है कि कैट कहाँ है. वेयर इज़ द कैट. तो आप फोटो में देख सकते हो नंबर्स दिए हैं 1 2 3 4 और कैट ड्रॉ भी किया है और उसके नीचे नेम्स लिखे हैं. तो फर्स्ट है ऑन, ON ऑन. यू कैन सी द कैट इज ऑन द कार. ऑन का मतलब है बच्चों द कैट इज ऑन द कार, मतलब कैट कार के ऊपर बैठी हुई है, ऑन द कार. सेकेंड वन IN in. You can see second number 2. Yes, yellow color cat is there and she is in. IN in means she is sitting inside the car. So the answer is the cat is in the car. So the answer is IN in. बच्चों यहाँ पे लिखना है IN in. The cat is in the car. Now third one, number 3. You can see number 3 behind. Now yellow color cat is there. Number 3 behind means पीछे. तो अब आंसर है थर्ड का the cat is behind the car. behind यानी पीछे, यानी कैट कार के पीछे बैठी हुई है. The cat is behind the car. Number 4. You can see number 4. Yes, UNDER under. under यानी नीचे. So the answer is the cat is under the car. कैट कार के नीचे बैठी है. आप देख सकते हो 4 नंबर अंडर. अंडर यानी नीचे, UNDER अंडर. फिफ्थ वन NEAR near. The black color cat is there. Fifth one students, you can see NEAR near. Now near मतलब नज़दीक, तो इसका आंसर है the cat is near the car. near मतलब नज़दीक, कैट कार के नज़दीक है. सिक्स्थ वन, number 6. Can you see number 6? Yes. What is written? Beside. 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 Beside यानी पास में, कार के पास में. Beside. BESIDE यानी कार के पास में कैट बैठी हुई है. So the number 6 is the cat is beside the car. Yes or no? Yes. Now number 7. You can see the number 7. FAR, far. The cat is far. Far मतलब दूर. The cat is far from the car. तो आप नंबर 7 देखो, कैट कार से दूर है. So students, these all are the words. So students, you can see these all are the grammar words which are used, and these all are called as prepositions also. On, far, in, behind, under, near, beside. Yes or no? Yes. So in the grammar topic, these words are called as prepositions. These prepositions are used in the fill in the blanks to complete a sentence. बच्चों, ये ग्रामर में इसे कहते हैं prepositions. जो हमने वर्ड्स पढ़े, ON on, IN in, BEHIND behind, UNDER under, near, beside, far. तो इन सारे वर्ड्स को कहते हैं प्रेपोजिशन. ये ग्रामर का एक टॉपिक है अब हम आगे जब ग्रामर पढ़ेंगे तब वो टॉपिक हमें अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आएगा, बट आज के लेसन में आपको ये चीज़ यहाँ पे यूज़ करनी है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सी. Now, question number 2. Enact the activity with the children with the help of table, bench, chair, etc. Now, students, I can't show you in the online lecture. I cannot enact you. Enact मतलब मैं आपको यहाँ पे बता नहीं सकती हूँ. यहाँ पे एक्टिविटी है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में जो बताया है कि टीचर्स को बच्चों के साथ करना है. मतलब कोई भी चीज़ आपको टेबल पे रखनी है और बच्चों को पूछना है कि ये टेबल के ऊपर है, नीचे है, पास में है, तो ये बच्चे बताएंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन डू इट योर होम एंड पेरेंट्स कैन हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स सो दैट दे विल अंडरस्टूड द टॉपिक वेरी क्लियरली. बच्चों, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी पेरेंट्स से कि पेरेंट्स आप घर पे ही एक्टिविटी आपके स्टूडेंट्स बच्चों के साथ करवा सकते हो ताकि उनको अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आए. तो आप टेबल पर कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ रख दो, कंपास बॉक्स रख दो और बच्चों को पूछो कि वेयर इज़ द कंपास. कभी टेबल के ऊपर रखो, कभी नीचे रखो, कभी दूर रखो एंड लेट द स्टूडेंट्स आंसर. और बच्चों को आंसर देने दो कि वो कहाँ पर है. अप है, ऊपर है तो अप, नीचे है तो अंडर, इन, ऑन, बिहाइंड, ये सब आप उनके साथ घर पर एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. सो स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स कैन सपोर्ट द स्टूडेंट्स and they can do the activity. For example, they can on the table they have to keep any object. For example, you can keep a student's compass box or any box, empty container you can keep, and you have to ask the students, you have to change the direction, you have to keep it up. So students will say on, the compass is on the table. You have to keep the compass down and you have to ask the student will answer the compass is under the table. You have to keep it behind. So students will answer the compass is behind the table. So like this you can teach your student this topic very easily by showing them at their home, because the live example they will easily understand it. So the parents cooperation is must in this. बच्चों, आप अपने पेरेंट्स के हेल्प से ये एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो घर पर, जिससे आपको बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आएगा कि एग्जैक्टली इस टॉपिक का मतलब क्या है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप द पेरेंट्स विल कोऑपरेट द स्टूडेंट्स. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि पेरेंट्स ये एक्टिविटी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बच्चों के साथ परफॉर्म करोगे. Now question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Now you have to write the correct words in the given blanks. Now students, you have to write the answer. So how will you find out the answer? Keep a pencil in your hand and let us discuss the answer. So I have written the answer and I will discuss the answer with you. The first one, the cat is on the car. On, on. You have to see the number for 1 in the image, in the photo, in your textbook. बच्चों, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको देखना है 1 नंबर के कैट पे क्या लिखा है, on. So you will write the cat is on the car. Students, now only we have discussed, so in the same way we will write the answer. बच्चों, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था तो वैसे ही हम नंबर्स को देखते आंसर लिखेंगे. The first one is the cat is on the car. on, on, यानी कैट कार के ऊपर बैठी है. Second one is the cat is in the car. in, यानी कैट कार के अंदर बैठी है. in. थर्ड वन इज द कैट इज बिहाइंड द कार. बिहाइंड यानी पीछे, तो BEHIND बिहाइंड. नंबर 3, द कैट इज बिहाइंड द कार. द कैट कार के पीछे बैठी है, बिहाइंड. 4, नंबर 4, द कैट इज अंडर द कार. अंडर यानी कार के नीचे. अंडर का मतलब होता है नीचे. द कैट इज अंडर द कार. Understood, students? So write the answer UNDER, under. Fifth one, the cat is near the car. Number 5, near मतलब नज़दीक. cat कार के नज़दीक है, NEAR, near. Sixth one, the cat is beside the car. beside यानी पास में. So beside, BESIDE, beside. Sixth one is beside. Seventh one is the cat is far away from the car. Far यानी दूर, तो cat कार से दूर बैठी हुई है. far away, far का मतलब होता है दूर. FAR, far. So students, check the answer and you can copy from the video and you can write in your textbook. And those students who are not having the textbook, they will copy in the English notebook by looking at the video. So students, here we have completed our lesson number 8, where is the cat. बच्चों, हमने ये लेसन वेयर इज़ द कैट कंप्लीट किया है और ये लेसन हमारा फिनिश होता है. आई होप सो स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस लेसन नंबर 8, वेयर इज़ द कैट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप द पेरेंट्स विल परफॉर्म द एक्टिविटी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 with their children, as I have explained you how to do it at your home. And you have to also practice the fill in the blanks by observing the picture. Thank you students for watching today's online lecture. Stay connected for the next lecture. Thank you. Be healthy, be safe, stay home.